In front of me is Cubot P80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, leave two of your apps open in the background. So tap on the first one, click on Home button, tap on the second one, and click on Square button. Now decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it. Then select Split Top and tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!